Okay, everybody say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So it's Sunday, December 13th. This is our first big snowstorm. Our first snowstorm in Arkansas, and the kids, I think, second time they've been in snow. But it's coming down pretty hard, so we're just gonna go out and play in the snow. And they all got at least 2 layers on, and in some cases 3 and 4 and 5 layers. Okay, open the garage door. Okay, go out and play. Go out and run in the snow. What do you think? Look at Daddy and tell me what you think of the snow.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Look at Daddy. What do you think?
It's great.
Maya, what do you think? Maya?
Like it?
Marley, what do you think?
I think it's awesome.
It's awesome. Mick, what do you think, buddy?
Come on, guys. Let's do a snowman. You gotta make a ball first.
So I wouldn't do it right there, but you got to start somewhere, I guess. So.
Let's see if it packs up pretty nice into a ball.
Okay, well, I think what I'm going to do is get a shovel and bring snow to you from the driveway and the sidewalk. Okay, so I'm going to stop filming. We'll start filming. Mommy's starting to build the snowman.
You gotta roll the snow. Come roll it. Can you roll it?
Okay, their first snowman build.
Well, they built one in Stillwater.
Oh, that's right.
It's awesome to snow. Snowball fight!
No, build a snowman. Okay, Mick, say hi.
Hi.
Marley, say hi. Okay, look at Daddy. Everybody look at Daddy.
Hi.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
No.
Not too bad, huh?
Hey guys, is that big enough for
Okay.
the bottom?
No, it needs to be bigger, Mommy.